So friends, I left my last video on this page. So I said that if you'll click on here, then you will be redirected to the MEK sample question paper test. So if I'll click here, so now here it comes again for engine department for marine engineering online examination. You have to fill out your details. So I'll write down my name here, Akash, and I'll select the same college. It won't matter, I am again telling you, you can select any of the college. Only one or two questions will come, different. That's it. Here your code number as per your admit card, then roll number as per your admit card, and your actual mobile number here. Okay, so let's start the test. So the first question in MEK is the function of air bottle is, everyone knows it's a very easy answer, to store air. The function of air bottle is to store the compressed air. Okay, then next, what is this machinery called? Identify the machinery in the following picture. So you have to identify this machinery, what it is called. It is called, I guess, an air compressor, I guess. I am not sure, but we'll see at the end if it's incorrect or not, because this small, it can't be a engine. Okay, and blast no, and cargo no, so it can be a air compressor. So next, what machine tool you will be using for making axial hole in a round bar? So the answer is lathe machine. Lathe machine is used to make an axial hole in a round bar. Most common use of globe wall is on. Most common use, where do we use globe wall? And again I am not sure about this, but I will go for streamline. Okay, it should be the correct answer. Globe wall most commonly used in streamlines. Then anti-fouling paint is applied to the underwater hull. Okay, so to the hull of the ship we apply anti-fouling paint when? Prior to flooding the dry dock. So the correct answer is prior to flooding the dry dock. On finding an injured person in the engine room, your first action will be to, you don't be a hero, don't try to treat his injury himself, just report to the duty officer on watch. Then the instrument needed slash provided for measuring gearbox oil level is, gearbox oil level, which instrument is there? Multimeter we can't use, dual gauge we can't use, depth gauge we can't use. Answer is side glass. Which one of the following will be used first on small fire in the engine room? So for small fire we use portable fire extinguishers. Speed of a diesel engine is adjusted by changing the supply of. So how can we adjust the speed of a diesel engine? By adjusting the speed of fuel, air or water. So the answer should be fuel. But air we also provide excess air. Why do we provide excess air? So I am confused in this, but we'll see at the end the answer. I guess it should be between the fuel and the air. So I'll go with fuel, because when we provide more fuel, but we provide more compressed air also. So let's see, fuel, I'll go for fuel. Then a machinery failure in the engine room is activated automatically on any machinery failure. This brush is called stencil brush. Function of crankcase relief door is to release pressure from crankcase. There is a relief valve on the crankcase door which is installed on the main engine bottom. So it is for releasing the pressure of crankcase door. Which of the following is normally fitted with a gauge glass for checking liquid level? Gauge glass is fitted for checking liquid level, so not fore peak, not double bottom, not after peak. Live boiled storage tank. Boiler is used for steam generation. Okay. A rudder angle indicates what the position of the rudder. Turning gear on main engine is provided for turning the engine during overhaul. Then brushes which are frequently in use should be kept with their bristles immersed in fresh water. Function of a cylinder head relief valve is to there is a relief valve on the cylinder head. Its function is to release excessive pressure. This picture is in your book also. Okay, it's called oil measures. After chipping, the rust from a steel surface should be wire brushed, cleaned and painted with primers. When we do chipping, we remove the rusty surface. Okay, so we wire brush it, we make it smooth, then we apply primers. Which one of the following is fitted on the cylinder head of a diesel engine? So the answer is indicator valve. Indicator valve is fitted on the cylinder head of a diesel engine. Okay. What is used to prevent the loss of heat from pipes or equipment? Insulating material is used to prevent the loss of heat from pipes or equipments. So you have to identify this picture. Which type of fire extinguisher is this? It is CO2 fire extinguisher because it has a horn here and its color code is black. The emergency fire pump on a ship is located outside the engine room. Okay, because during emergency, if there is a fire in engine room, so if it will inside the engine room, then how it will with the help of emergency fire pump you can extinguish the fire? It's not possible because fire is there only, so it should outside the engine room. Quick closing valve operation is carried out from a remote location outside engine room. This valve is installed on fuel lines. So in case of fire, to do the quick shutdown of fuel lines, we use this quick closing valve, which has been remotely, which is been operated from outside the engine room. Then generator engine on board ship is started using compressed air. Small patch of unpainted surface left out while painting is called holiday. What is to be checked on a purifier during its operation? So we have to check no oil is coming out from water side. Okay. The function of a centrifugal separator is to, what's the function of centrifugal separator? Is to separate solid and liquids. Identify the picture given below. So this should be a soft hammer. Okay, it's not an insulated, not wooden, not mallet. Mallet is made up of rubber, so it's soft hammer. Oh God, this question comes. You have to solve this question, and this question mark more, value more than other questions because number of options are there. So identify parts. This is a lathe machine, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So which is this is the 17th one is the half nut lever. Where is, you have to tick here. Okay. Then 18 is this is called apron. Front part of a carriage, it's called apron. Then 19 is the cross feed handle. Okay. Then 20th is the where is hand wheel. 21 is the headstock. Then 22, where is 22? I can't see 22. This one, it's spindle sleeve. This is spindle sleeve. So I guess it will cost, I don't know, 6 marks or how much, but we'll see. Then click on next. Exhaust gases from the main engine go to the atmosphere through. So the exhaust gases from the main engine go to atmosphere through exhaust gas boiler. Okay. The level measuring device, comma, level indicator can be used for. So the level measuring devices and the level indicator, sump of purifiers, compressors, etc. Because on small to large tanks we are using the sounding tape and sounding rods, and oil level in generator crankcase, I guess side glass is there or gauge glass is there, and oil can not required. So sump of purifiers and compressors is the correct answer, I guess. Which of the following is a part of an air compressor? Intercooler, to cool down the compressed air. Okay, intercooler, it's seawater which do the exchange of heat. Sounding pipe on tanks are fitted for finding level of liquid in the tank. So sounding pipes are fitted on tanks just to find the level of liquid in the tank. Function of a pump is to pressurize fluid. Pump's function is to pressurize fluid only. Okay, not to purify, not to control, not to compress. Okay, what is this? Identify the part shown below. So it's not a metal ring, not a piston ring, not a multi-purpose ring. It's called snap ring. Chipping on the main deck of an oil tanker is hazardous due to, if you are doing chipping on the, so the question means if you are doing chipping on the deck of an oil tanker, so what's the hazard there? So hazard is fear of sparks igniting and flammable vapor. Then air compressor is related to, not air conditioning, not pumping system, not turbocharger. Starting of main engine, because through air compressor we are getting compressed air, and the compressed air is used to start the main engine, because in the beginning air comes through the starting air valve to push down the piston to its BDC. Then this is called turnbuckle. Identify the equipment tool. It's called turnbuckle for tightening the wire. Okay. If any chemical falls on body, on parts of the body, the first action should be, so if any chemical falls on your body, what you will do? The first action, thoroughly wash affected area under running water. Okay, this way that chemical will washed away. Rudder of the ship is turned by means of ram and cylinder. Sounding tape is used for checking. Sounding tape, why do we use? Water level in the tank. When starting to weld, you must hold the electrode at an angle of about 70 degree. The angle of your electrode should be 70 degree if you want a perfect welding. Okay. Whoa, okay, nice. Here comes the beast question. It's a diagram of main engine. So we have to identify 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So where is the sixth one? This is the sixth one. So I don't know if I can solve this one, but let's see. Sixth one is I guess it's on the top of piston, so it's I guess a push rod. No, it can't be a push rod. Let me see in my book. The diagram is also there in my book, in your book also, but I'll see. Okay, if the same diagram is there or not. I will see. Okay, so we don't have the same diagram in book. Kind of similar but not as exact same as that. So I will see. Sixth one is the, I don't know man, let's stick on the push rod. Then the seventh one is the connecting rod. Then eighth one is bottom crank pin. Okay. Then ninth is bottom end bearing, we call it shell bearing is there also. Okay. The 10th one is dipstick. Is there any stick in there? Dipstick and oil level gauge. So these are my options. 5 we have to select. I have selected all the 5. Now let's submit the paper. Let's see how the paper goes, how much incorrect answer we got. Okay, so we have 2 incorrect answers. So this is not a picture of air compressor, it's a picture of auxiliary engine. Okay, and that engine one, the last one is also incorrect. Last one is also incorrect. So far I got 1.67 marks in that. I guess it's showing points and I don't know what does it mean. Okay, it says 0 out of 1.67, so I didn't earn any point. If one option is incorrect, then it is incorrect. But I am not. The 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th one was correct, I am dead sure. But the 6th one you have to find out on your book if you'll face this question. Then, and one more thing, this website does not show all the incorrect questions, okay, at the end. So like you can see this 45 question, it's showing this much only, it's not going down. I am scrolling down but it's not going down, so it's showing these 2 questions, but these 2 questions are incorrect only, I am dead sure too. All were correct except these 2. So this was your MEK, Marine Engineering Knowledge Sample Test. So try and try harder, practice more. Practice makes man perfect. If you will practice these questions, I will give you more questions to practice, because the more you will practice, the more perfectly you can give your exit exam. You don't have to worry about your exam. So thank you so much guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to share the video with your friends so that they can also get some hint of exit exam for GP rating.